if you're looking for new arrivals in Costco, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, from the website for Costco here, Costco.coms, you want to go to the search bar here and you want to type in new items. Now, on new items here, you'll see that it'll load in a couple of new items here. Let's wait for it to load. Now, you can see that these are new items, right? They have 0 reviews right now. See, 0 reviews. These are pretty new items. And you can see with these new items, you can get it freely from other competitors. So you can get it immediately, right? With cheap prices as well, since it's Costco. And if you find this to be insufficient, there is also another website I can show you. It's called market.com here. I'm going to accept the cookies, and you see this is the best new Costco products coming in February 2025. So this month, right? And you see they'll list all of these stuff like denim jacket and t-shirt for kids, and they'll list the price. They'll also add a little description here as well, so you can read up about the products. There's also Cuisinart Hurricane Blender, nautical coat set with origami pieces and design, women's cloth strap. Now you see, if we keep scrolling, there'll be a lot more products here. This is the URL. If you want to pause the video to copy the URL, you can, but you can also just search up on Google, Marca Costco, something like that. So whichever item or method you decide to use, so either searching it up directly on the Costco website or actually going to the Costco store to look for new arrivals, you can probably ask for the employees there for new arrivals. All of these methods are pretty valid. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.